Okay folks, Brian here from Northwind Garage. I had a big mishap and I missed a whole bunch of footage on my phone with the GMC Savannah and a lot of footage on doing some repairs on the Gehl. So this video is going to be a compilation of this machine. Put a distributor in it, and what had happened was I bought like a Chinese one offline or whatever that would fit in there and work, and it had a set of points and condensers and everything was brand new in it. And there was a little clip for the universal rotor in it that didn't fit exactly right, so that kind of threw me off because the rotor was flopping around underneath the distributor cap and causing all kinds of trouble. So that was part of the spitting and sputtering issue, but in the meantime I went through the fuel system thinking it was a carburetor issue, and it turned out to be the spark wasn't correct because the timing wasn't correct. And then after I got just one thing after another with it, and when I used the old rotor and the old clip from the old distributor on the new Chinese distributor, and that got me headed in the right direction of the issues with it. I went ahead and replaced the wires, spark plugs, all that, because I haven't done it in like 10 years. So I went ahead and did it anyway. And what we wound up finding out is the condenser was bad in that brand new Chinese distributor. Brand new condenser. I wound up taking the old condenser out of the old distributor and putting it in that new Chinese distributor. So I'm not knocking the Chinese, I'm just saying that the thing didn't work right. So basically just saying, telling it like it is. So while I'm getting that Ford distributor rebuilt, I'm gonna have to use this Chinese distributor. So anyway, this is a compilation of those videos, and it's probably going to be more than one video. So hang in there, and these next two videos will be on the Gehl Skidsteer. So we'll get on with it. All right, folks. This thing is just really acting weird, and I put a new distributor in it and it ran great, and that distributor was like a China knockoff, because this engine is so old. I don't, oh, that, yeah, those are quite dirty. That one is anyway, but it's dry. It's not wet, like it's not firing. It's just, I'm just throwing these in. I'm not. This thing sets a lot, so wouldn't be surprised if the wires are kind of bad on it. It just started acting up like all of a sudden. I don't seem like it. Just don't feel like it's gripping all that well. I'm just gonna squash it down just a hair. Wow, I just don't feel like it's grabbing all that well. There we go, that's a little better. I like that better. weird how it started acting up. Like all of a sudden, usually spark plugs and ignition, you know, it takes, well, not really. Maybe just something gave up the ghost. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's pretty dirty. About due. About due. Funny part about it is it ran perfectly getting over there, right?
Yeah. I started it up and it was cold out, so I let it warm up a little, and then I drove it over, and then I turned it off to fill the bucket up with some firewood, and then I went to turn it on, and then it started acting up, I guess. Then it started acting up.
Did you turn the key off on it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. I just didn't know. There's something. Yeah. Hopefully we can narrow this down a little bit. Yeah, I like that better. Could use a little extension. Oh yeah, that one's, they're all crappy. They're all quite crappy looking. Every one of them so far. You might ought to think about selling this one and get an updated one. Yeah, nice shot. Okay, so this isn't very long. Don't need to be very long on this one. But that'll go down in the distributor. And I'm going to give it just a little bit of length here so I can cut it and fold the conductor over sideways on the outside of the wire. Looks like about a Alright, so basically you just fold that over like that, sideways, so it comes out on the side. You put this, oh, you gotta put the boot on first. Getting ahead of myself. Okay, so go on here like this. Up inside there. Just give it a little pinch. Okay, so this one goes down into the distributor cap, and then this one goes down into the coil. Okay, so it's this wire here, and I do have to get a new set of wires for it. They're all kind of a little aged here, so, but this should get it running. Let's see what we have here. All right, I'm gonna crank it over. Got this little wire loom thing here, just to help keep the wires in place. All right. Now let's see if it runs any better. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and thanks for watching my channel. God bless you. Peace out.